Tropical Storm Francine has emerged in the Gulf of Mexico and is projected to make landfall on the U.S. Gulf Coast as a low-end Category 1 hurricane by Wednesday evening. The storm is currently moving towards the Upper Texas and southwestern Louisiana coasts, posing a significant threat to the region. Forecasts suggest that Francine could bring a combination of life-threatening storm surges, damaging winds, and heavy rainfall to the coastal areas, particularly in Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. As of Monday, Francine had sustained winds of around 50 miles per hour and was expected to intensify as it moved over the warm waters of the Gulf. The National Hurricane Center, NHC, predicts the storm will strengthen into a hurricane by Wednesday, with hurricane-force winds exceeding 74 miles per hour. The NHC has already issued hurricane watches for parts of southern Louisiana, indicating that hurricane conditions are possible within the next 48 hours. One of the major concerns associated with Francine is the potential for a dangerous storm surge along the Gulf Coast. A storm surge watch has been issued, particularly for the Louisiana and Texas coastlines. Coastal cities, including Lafayette, Louisiana, are preparing for heavy rainfall that could result in flash flooding. Rainfall totals are expected to reach 5 to 8 inches in parts of Louisiana, with the possibility of even greater amounts in localized areas. Francine's development comes during the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season, which typically brings heightened storm activity. This system is set to disrupt oil and gas production platforms in the Gulf as it approaches the coast. Meteorologists also note that while the storm is expected to strengthen, wind shear near the coast could prevent it from becoming a more intense hurricane. Local authorities are urging residents in the affected areas to prepare for the storm's impact. Preparations for potential power outages, flooding, and emergency evacuations are underway as the storm approaches. As Francine nears landfall, its exact path and intensity will continue to be closely monitored, but residents in Texas and Louisiana are bracing for what could be a significant weather event.